Intel's first engineering processor of the 13th generation, the 24-core Core i9-13900K, is now available online. A few days ago, Intel expanded the Alder Lake line by introducing a budget Core i3 series and processors with a locked multiplier. In addition, stones without a graphics chip were announced, allowing potential buyers to save $20-30. Our readers were able to see the excellent performance of the Core i5-12400, which in games offers similar performance to the more expensive Ryzen 5 5600X. Also, the Core i3-12100F demonstrated speed records. This is a super budget 4-core processor, which on the stock cooler managed to take first place in terms of performance, beating competitors overclocked under liquid nitrogen. It seems that all of 2022 Intel will rest on its laurels, enjoying the benefits of the new architecture. Well, in fact, the company's management decided to attack AMD, continuing to release new series of processors according to the previously announced schedule. Yesterday, one of the first Raptor Lake engineering processors was discovered on the network. It belongs to the 13th generation of Intel and should strengthen the position of the Blue Ones, as the transition to a more advanced 7nm technological process is expected. Experts believe that we are looking at the flagship Core i9-13900K, which allows us to draw conclusions about the direction in which Intel plans to develop. First of all, a noticeably increased number of threads and cores. So, the Core i9-13900K will be able to offer the same 8 large cores, but the number of small cores will grow to 16. It turns out that we have 24 cores and 32 threads in front of us. If you don't remember, the Core i9-12900K has 16 cores and 24 threads. Since the increase is solely due to power-efficient cores, it can be assumed that Intel plans to make them more significant in the future, since today they have a minimal impact on processor performance in real-world tasks. Since this is an early engineering version, the clock speed was fixed at a modest 1.8 GHz. Presumably, the Raptor Lake processors will go on sale in the second half of 2022. The leak says that they will be stripped of AVX512 support. Recall that Intel recently disabled this technology on the Alder Lake generation. This means that the company wants to leave the function for more expensive processors, while custom gems will be deprived of certain advantages of AVX512.